In this video, we're going to walk you through CPXB, creating an account, and actually setting up your lead generation forms and actually collecting a lead. So what we're going to do first is create our advertiser account. You can do this a couple of different ways. You can scroll down on the main page and create a free advertiser account here, or click on advertisers up on top, and here you can create a free advertiser account. That'll come up. You can enter your name, your email address, and click on sign up. You'll be signed up and it will send you the confirmation email. We've already got an account. Let's go ahead and take a look at our control panel. Once you have your account set up and you get logged in, you're going to first come here to your dashboard. And this is going to show you your overall performance. It's going to show you the leads, your stats for your advertiser ID, the number of pages, and everything will be set up here so that you get an overview of what's going on. Now what we want to do is actually go in and create a page. I'm going to go ahead and go to My Pages. I have one page set up here already. Let's go ahead and create another one. So I'll click on Create Pages. And what you need to do is give it a page name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and say that this is my lead page. You can give it a description, and we can say this is a page for leads. And you then choose what the page is about, and we need to select a category. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the drop-down arrow for the category. And we've got a list of categories here, and you just can go ahead and choose which one you want. I'm going to say that this is self-improvement. I'm going to go ahead and click on Add Page, and now my page has been generated, and here's my lead page. Now if I want to go in and edit this page, I'll click on Edit, and it'll take me over to my lead page. Now that information that we originally filled in, the title, the description, and the headline, you can change that as you wish. We can also come in here and we can change the logo and banner. I'm going to go ahead and click on the image to change it. So we'll go ahead and click on the image. And it'll bring you to the Upload Image page. What we'll go ahead and do is choose a file. Here's my image right here that I want to use. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Click on Open. And we have our image here. Let's go ahead and click on View Page. And it'll take us over and view our page. If you want to see what that'll actually look like, go ahead and click on View Page here. And it'll take you to your lead page, and you can see what your lead page looks like, where it says My Lead Page, My Page for Leads. And if I scroll down a little bit, it has information down here, Page for Leads as well. I'm going to go ahead and scroll back up here, see the page, click on Edit Page, and it'll take me back to the edit. From the edit page, there's a bunch of different settings that we can control over on the right-hand side. We can take a look at the URL, the appearance, the form, the text. We can add in a video. Let's take a look at the settings. I'll go ahead and click on Settings. It's going to bring me to the Settings page. What we can do is choose our lead country. So where do we want our leads to come from? I'll click on the drop-down arrow. I can choose the country that I want those to come from. So if I want these to come from the United States, I'll choose United States. Now the page type is set to self-improvement, but if you wanted to change that, you could choose a different category there. And then you could set the lead age range. So I could go ahead and change this, and I could say that I want leads coming from individuals that are between, let's say 21, and I'm going to lower this a little bit and say 50. So now I'm looking at a target range of age 21 to 50. I could put the gender, and then I can set my maximum cost per lead. So what is the most that you want to have for your lead? And I can adjust that there. So I can say what I want to adjust that to. And I'm just going to put 1 there. Allowed promo methods. I can do a website, search ads, social media ads, email. I'm going to go ahead and click on Update. And that'll update. So you want to make sure that you keep that up to date. I'm going to go back here to Edit Page. We've got the URL. I'd like to take a look at that really quick. We're going to click on URL. And you can see that this is your page URL. If I want to change that, I could say that this is my self-improve page. And if I update that, Now you'll notice that our address is at CPXB My Self Improve page. So you can adjust that so that's not that string of numbers. So you can customize that as well. I'm going to go ahead and go back to the edit page. We could add a video in if we wanted to. You just click on video and then you enter your video in here and then you could update that. Your text, here's where we had our page for leads. You can go ahead and say, we are looking for self-improvement interests. And I'm just typing something quick in there to have it in there. And then you would update that and that would appear down under my lead page. So you could add in any text or any information that you need to add down there. Once you have that all set up, you can also set up your thank you page. So if you go to your thank you page, this will show you your thank you page. And it says, thank you for subscribing. Please check your email. You can come in here, edit your thank you page as well. So you can update that and make those changes if you need to. Here's where it says thank you, your thank you for your second line. You could do your page URL to continue. So if you want to give them another link, and you could give them their page thank you, your download button caption. So you can adjust that as well. Now, once everything is all set and you are ready to go, then what you're going to do is you want to start and promote that. To promote it, we're going to go back to My Pages. You'll have your page here, and you're going to click on Promote, which will take you to the Promote page. Here you can set your daily budget of what you want to spend daily. So once you have that amount set, go ahead and click on Promote. And now that page is being promoted. It will go through a short process of approval. You'll be able then to track your leads here for this. I'm going to go back to My Pages, and you will see here that this is being promoted, and you will start to see leads coming in for that. Let's go ahead and take a look at this page as it would appear. Let's go ahead and I'm going to sign out. You need to be signed out to see the leads. I'm going to go ahead and put in my URL. There's my page there. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my name here. So if I do Frank Johnson, and then I can put in my email address. So I can do frank.j@myemail.com. I'm going to go ahead and submit, and it'll take me to the thank you page that I had set up. I'm going to go ahead and go back to the login and get logged in. I've logged back in, and I'm at my dashboard. Here's my leads. So I have one lead here, so it's automatically tracked there. If I go to My Pages, you'll see that the lead is on this page here. And if I look at the stats, it's going to show me where that lead came from, and it will track that information here. So that's CPXB. That's the process for setting up your lead capture page, your landing page, and actually capturing a lead.